Alright, let's move on to the main case now. Let's see, we need to do a case raise first. Need this one here. So for some reason they took everything apart to polish the case. Must have been a tweaker. You don't need to strip everything out of a case to polish it. So this is going to have to go in there. Just had a bad area in there that I don't want to put where it's going to wear. Looks like that's the bad area right there. Yep, another bad area down through here. Where's our worst spot? All through here is our bad spot. So this needs to go up. So that means vertical will be right here. The bad spot's through here where it doesn't wear. The load's not there, the load's on the back side. And it's more on the bottom of the top. So when we put this in the case, I'm going to put it in there just like that. Straight in. Alright. Just putting these in there with sleeve retainer and make sure they stay in there good. I have no idea how tight this one is, so we'll find out. Put a little bit of Loctite on the edge there. Go around that way, go around this way. Stuff's fairly thick, so it leaves a good layer. Okay. Quite that much. Okay, coat on the inside also. Like that. Alright, I need a pressing tool. Door down here. Find something that matches up. Appears to match up pretty good. A little bit too big though, doesn't fit in the case. There, that one will work. That one fits in the case. Alright. Helps to have the right stuff. There's a lip in the case. You want to make sure you go below the lip. This lip right here. Because this usually goes a little bit below the surface. So if you hit up here on the outside of the lip, it will stop and not go all the way down. You need to go all the way down. Just gotta make sure you go one small enough. Okay, there should be a nice large snap ring floating around here somewhere. It's actually a spiral lock, and I am not seeing it. So it appears to be missing. Yeah. Okay, so we now have it. Okay, and I don't think I brought that down with me because I don't think I was going to need it. Tranny sprocket. Big ass snap ring. Nope. There we go, that looks better. Picture one's actually a spiral lock. This one's just a snap ring, single-sided. Make sure these fit inside the groove right here. It does. That should work. Alright, so that presses all the way through the case. That groove should be exposed when it gets all the way through, and you put the clip on it. Alright. That's going to get done over the hydraulic press. Which means we need to take a walk. Okay. Right over here. Lucky, you won't have to lower the press. Alright, we're lucky. Okay, where's our mark? Mark is straight up and down. Right there. Goes right there. Should just go straight down. When you get to the bottom, stop. So you see how it went below the surface here. And you see how the snap ring groove is exposed a little bit in there. I'll get where you can see it. I'm not sure where we can see it. And that'll just go in there like that. Okay. Back over here in the work area. Tripod sticking out in the way, hitting everything. I don't have two hands to work the tripod right now. Alright. This we don't need. Okay, when that goes through the case, it puts a little sliver of aluminum comes out with it. That's how it goes. Hopefully it's not very big. Alright, we're going to blow on that a little bit to blow off the excess. Okay, so that should have blew the crap out of there. Now just wrap this in. It's a little bit hard to put these in because they're thicker than the Harley ones. The Harley ones are nice and thin. I'm not sure how you're supposed to get these back out once they're in there though. Just wrap it around with your fingers. Get this one to go in first right here. You just push it all the way around as you go, and we get over here. Go the rest of the way. I always like taking a screwdriver and make sure it's in there all the way. Try to slide a little bit. Looks good. Alright, it's in there. Alright, that's how you do that. Okay, now I gotta clean all these parts off. Make sure they're start fitting stuff up. Let's see, we need to do the counter shaft. We need to make sure the counter shaft bushings are the correct ones for over here. If they are, it's a nice tight fit. That is a tight fit. It's about 3 or 4 thou clearance. Seems to be the correct one also. Okay. If you have the mismatched ones in there, you got the... This is a loose roller bearing transmission, so the needle bearings are loose. This means they're right here. They're loose. If you had a Torrington bearing, we had a cage in here, then the shaft is different. It looks the same, but it's a different size. And the case bushings in here are different size, OD and ID. But there's only about 5 thou difference, so I've seen people mix them up when the wrong one's in there. And everything floats around wrong. Okay, I gotta clean all this stuff up now so I can put it together. So we'll be back in a few minutes.